Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Envato Elements, a comprehensive creative platform where you can access millions of digital assets for your projects. Whether you're working on videos, graphics, or presentations, this platform offers everything you need in one place. Let's walk through how to navigate and use it effectively. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a sign-in option. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. This step is essential because it connects you to your personal workspace where you can manage downloads and track your project assets. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Envato Elements homepage. Now, to find specific assets, look toward the top center of the screen where you'll see a prominent search bar. This is your main tool for discovering content. Go ahead and type in keywords that match what you're looking for. For example, if you need footage for a project, type something like stock video sunset. The search function is quite robust and will pull up relevant results based on your query. Now, if you're not entirely sure what you need or want to explore different types of content, Envato Elements makes browsing incredibly straightforward. You'll notice several category options displayed on the homepage or in the navigation menu. These include photos, stock video, video templates, music, sound effects, graphics, and many other creative categories. Click on any of these to browse through collections organized by type. This is particularly useful when you're gathering inspiration or need to see what's available before committing to a specific search term. Once you've found something that catches your eye, click on the item's thumbnail. This action will open the preview page where you can see a detailed view of the asset. Here you can examine it more closely, check its specifications, and see related items that might also suit your needs. The preview page gives you all the information necessary to decide if this is the right asset for your project. However, before you can download any items, there's an important step you need to complete. Envato Elements requires a premium subscription to access downloads. If you haven't subscribed yet, you'll be prompted to choose a subscription plan. This subscription grants you unlimited downloads across all categories, making it an excellent investment if you regularly need creative assets for your work. And that's how you navigate and use Envato Elements to find and access creative resources for your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.